Jamaica Good Life, we're going to the big house.
Big yard.
Big yard, I shouldn't say big house. And then we're going to push the car down. Take a right here, my friend.
Oh, it's a Pokey yard. No, it's a Pokey yard.
No, we're going...
One and only trusty.
We have a dog now. Invite?
Yeah, that is a dog.
Invite?
I don't think he's back to her.
Oh, what the... Trusty, where you get the shots from?
Wow. Bad man shots.
Hey, I left the gate open, alright? Don't leave the gate open. Why go on, doggy dog? What you say? I'm nice, man. Ian, no left the gate open, okay? The dog will leave. Come through, man. Bring the thing, them.
Yeah,
Watch him.
Turn off phone.
The light down.
Eh?
Now, turn on now. Go up in the gate.
Turn on, man. Turn off what?
ready.
Eh? Eh? You're not even going to put it on that. See him there? See him there? Lock it. Me say lock the gate. Don't let nobody in.
End up with so much picnic. You understand? Me just build a one room and since then come in peace. And there's somebody used to live and live in there.
Wait there. You used to live in there?
Yeah, me come.
By yourself?
Kitchen.
And then you build this?
Me had done this funny. Could have done, but you don't know. You have picnic for mine and sitting. And I want. Can't leave no easy with it. No! You can't want it right there.
Where them at?
I'm a terrorist, you know.
Hey, where them
I'm
at?
a terrorist.
Licking with the stick. Pokey! International!
Oh, well, me got me different. I see one man. Let me get it.
Y'all fry fish for it? I cook you go. I ready to go with this.
And they tell the people, them say, you find the best jerk pork and the best jerk chicken come and you go. Remember, you know, right in front of Burger King.
Okay, why do the people love you so much?
You order too much.
Order what? What do you think make you? What do you think will make you bigger? Why do the people love you so much? Why do they love it? Why do you think them love you?
I don't know. Once you show me love, show me article, man. And I see it, you know, I say, me a real maroon.
You're the real maroon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I don't know a nation running from early, you know, so we not to know them. But we had the feelings in a way, we have culture in a way, so we know, so we are maroon. How you got the Balkan?
Why do you think them love her so much?
Huh? Because she down to earth, just article like that, you see me? Straightforward things, she article people, that's how you're going on. You say once you're straightforward and you're straight with people, like that.
We deal with everybody same way. Nobody not different from me.
No, that no.
Everybody play cheer same way. I don't have a problem. As long as they pay me good.
So you deal with money?
Yes.
Just money? Not
I
love?
really said just money. You have to love people. Then if you don't love them, you know they deal with them how you deal with them. Yeah, and when me say quarter pound and a half pound, you know, that is 1,000, you know. Yeah. And me say quarter for 5 and me give you half pound for 5. No good get with that. No love me love you. Eh? No must love me love you. How are you big man? You know so me work with me scale. Watch your man.
Do you pray in the morning when you wake up?
Then no must who keep me and who guide
One of
me.
your prayer you say, what is that prayer?
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
That Randy soon come.
Where's the Randy soon?
Randy soon come. Because when Randy come, the whole thing I going to turn up. Live, planting tree, banana, sunlight for everybody. You think it turn up yet? Wait till we pitch the tent. Me have my blow up mattress. Everybody will come. Chubby, Kaya, who else? Who else will come? See, I am there. You see my work? Pokey enough for worry, you know. Me bring the real people, them, you know. You hear my talk about? You hear my talk about making go on work? You hear?
In the work something,
Eh?
in work something, so. That's how we do it now.
Pokey, what kind of fish this?
Alright, the one there now, I have got skeleton, but you know what I did, parrot. You remember when it
How much you spend on the fish?
I 600 a pound, you know.
So same thing, I look at what you.
You don't know where
I don't know what about Soji might try coming out.
Soji?
you don't see him right come. From when we don't see him.
Soji never work on the glove, the money take Soji from what a paradise on.
I mean, I have to go look for him.
You'll find him.
Yeah, we have to go. One of the day, but when I'm here,
fine.
we have to go
That's fine.
drive, go see Soji, alright?
I will find Soji on.
We
Look
might.
here tomorrow, Thursday, you know, if you know that, you know.
On Friday,
you know,
we
take
leave.
weekend, you know.
Me know,
Oh,
so
you
yeah.
can't get
So you have to work
weekend.
tomorrow,
Yeah, me have to
and you work Friday, right?
Yeah,
So we're gonna bring Soji here. Why would I bring him here? I'll have him come.
We'll find Soji and I'll try to
Soji,
find. No, I think I did in there.
No man, last night me called him in work at night. I go check him.
So what me answer your phone? What's the next one? When I start to Randy?
Last night.
When I start to Randy? Or when you say? So me don't see man now. But I can't do and I can't do in my lad. You say no, I can't do.
I lie.
Randy down my foot, my lad. Randy down my foot from last night.
Don't send me there your foot that night.
Randy there beside me from last night. That's one better. Him and two from Manchester. Yeah man, in there, man, in there, one.
So tell him so we want him for.
Alright, yo,
Come
when
on,
where the pan today? Work? Yeah. We ship it up on tonight. You work tonight? So you off tomorrow?
Fasting now, you can't do that.
You off tomorrow any idea? Yo, you need to come on and go tomorrow. I want a pokey camp there, yes sir.
I'm here, I get it one.
I get on JB, my boy. Randy, you're not carrying a rum, come on. Yeah. Rum in the
Can
car.
you get the room for her, please?
Oh, no, if you do that.
What do you mean you drink it all?
You're not running. I will drink coffee.
Elvis drink your rum, you know.
You know, so that is spirit to come with me.
Elvis, tell me say you have Pokey rum.
Okay.
Talk your mind, I can't touch.
Elvis, tell me you have Pokey rum. Please.
Or yourself, you say if you know the car, you can go down the road and find the road.
Master God, which one don't need it? You know, you drop them.
Someone down the road.
You must have someone on the road.
I'm on the road.
You can't beat the man now.
You don't drop out that car.
You can't beat.
But we're not around the thing.
They say you're going to call me.
No. I surprised them there now.
Oh, fuck the moment.
Can't tell me someone come on your foot last night, so I never come on now.
Listen, my youth, I know that me say. When the man touch your foot and left you, if you buzz me phone.
Until someone come.
Yeah. Oh, me call you when he call
No,
me.
you see, me know why you pick. No, me know why you pick me.
Yesterday when he called me and tell me saying that Alan Bamboo, you know. Me do some boom. Me do some boom and call you, yo.
He can't be you know.
Turn you.
So where the rum there?
Go look in that car for you.
I'm not certain I can. I'm going to dig up in there and say you can't find it. You can't find it, you don't go looking for see it.
So
But
you
he
met
pick up
some,
rum, you know.
wait a minute. So he met some girls last
up
night.
But people, not girls, people.
You meet a woman him go give you rum at it.
Rum sell up a shop, you know.
I mean, I tell you,
Yo, my youth, buy one flask of JB up a shop, my youth.
Yeah.
Right, the rest of it don't drink coffee now.
okay, you don't drink granite,
Huh?
you don't drink granite.
JB.
So what you drink it?
JB and water.
Cranberry water.
No, I drink cranberry water. Plain water. That's how we said that now. Yo, we say the boy doctor they ask him if he drink rum. Doctor they tell him boy tell the doctor say yes. He mother give me. Like if boy had little cough me they drink rum. I said boy drink some. I don't know sitting with regular, you know.
Me not wrong, you man.
You got the truth.
I don't see a cigarette regular. Can't believe
You got the truth, man.
I said, when you go to prison, the boy send me a prison to thing, man. You stand there. You do something sometimes and I feel nothing, you know why I'm feeling.
Okay. If somebody come here and call you, and the boy there, and you tell him that there ain't got
You will go tell him, say, you're under the bed.
Pokey says, he's saying there.
And you're under the bed.
Boy, it's such a pleasure to see you. You have the fish, them are gone. So much fish, a 3 fish you have right away. May I bring my own frying pan, you know?
Problem good there. Two of them, yes, there. I'm going to take you have to do full one more cylinder if you want.
Yeah.
Take out the two of them.
Family thing, you see me? Trust, this is how we start the thing, you know?
That the thing start from
You see me? So you did the rum just kind of...
You don't walk out like that.
Now, say,
I'm going to take me know some more around with you.
I believe say the door, the close, but the door never close.
Good, and you don't walk out. That's everything that's like
So
that.
no, I'm not really say that, say walk out. I say, I search.
Are you not finding it?
I'm a search.
Are you not finding it?
I'm still a search.
Are you still not finding it?
So many know what happened.
Then don't walk out like that.
No,
Hold on.
roll out.
Everything else in that car.
Yes. You can roll out. Yes.
Everything else in that car.
We're not going to say roll out now. Because we don't know what happened.
So hold on. Everything else in that car.
Most of Rodney check if you find everything there. Check if you find everything there.
Man, shall beg the people I go beg the people if you help. I go beg the people if you help if they take out your passport or anything, you know.
Where's the one we help?
Of the passport.
You find the
The
passport.
passport, yeah. That means everything there then.
We have the
Alright.
speaker in there still, right?
Yeah.
And them they open if a man a pass and say a nice speaker, I might just block it and take it.
Yeah.
You
never lock, you know.
You might take it too.
You don't never lock, you know. You do it close.
No, so hold on. Alright, so hold on. Wait, hold on. So what you want to say then?
So everything else
Yeah,
never
never
go,
lock.
Rodney. Make sure.
Everything is in the car.
As far as you know.
Yeah, and the room alone come out. So the
No,
one that
no.
pass. Hold on. The one that pass. When they say the work, so take out the room and everything else.
Say laptop, Magan.
We don't know, you know.
Laptop in there.
You want me to check for the laptop too?
You don't know. You just say. In a search. In a
Laptop.
search.
Wait there. What is?
Rodney, what that are doing there, sir? What that are doing there, sir? You see why we couldn't find it now? Oh.
I mind the room there.
Rodney, talk, Rodney.
Look at mango.
Talk, Rodney.
No, man. I did not.
Hey,
I did not.
What is that? I want to get it.
Don't give me rum.
Rodney.
Come here and go give me no rum.
No, sir.
I blame you, you know.
Mangoes.
Yeah.
Mangoes. sir.
Yeah, man,
Rodney.
I blame you.
You tell the man to look for your laptop and you see what come up, though.
I want to come out.
Mangoes.
The laptop in the back, sir.
Yeah. I him a push me. You see him say check for the passport.
No.
No, man. Come on, make sure, sir.
No, the one
Make sure,
everything
sir.
in the bag. No.
Yes.
A mangoes.
Don't do that, Rodney. So right now, them things you keep up.
You see, he might twist me up enough cause when me come along at 3 times, me twist him up
Rodney,
enough.
tell the truth, Rodney.
What's this now?
You
You
never
see,
know.
yeah, judge me
You never
now.
know say in there. So what I tell you say?
No, you tell me so I drink the rum last night and put it back in my bag.
Hold on, the man asked if you know the serum in your bag. Like man asked him.
No, man.
Really,
And
Rodney?
them put the rum in the back cause them come last night drunk as
How?
skunk, you know.
No,
Him
man.
come with him wife beater like he want to come beat somebody. Me say the wife not there.
No, man.
You always I turn back.
I must say, man.
Drunk, you know. When I open the door, see stole them. Ha!
Say, no, I don't know, Randy.
That's how you go in.
Yeah, them come in about 3 o'clock, you know.
Hold on. When you
Them
go,
almost ring the wrong doorbell, you know.
wait there. When you left and go over, them never in there.
No, you see, no.
Hey.
Alright.
The boy them take the car and them gone.
Oh,
Till
that was
3, 4. The good people them, when I say those people no more. The good people over here, so. Them take the car and gone. Somebody up on work. I know my family kind of thing. Things that change, so I said, then I send some things. And I say, we're going to move forward. And I see the little 2 good people them. 3, 4 o'clock them coming. Ha, and them a laugh up enough. About to go ring the 2 girls' door, that one there. I say, where you go?
No,
Oh, me think I the wrong doorbell. You want the people to call police on you?
no, yeah, what happened now? It's the last night. We didn't want to forget to know the surroundings.
Which is right.
I say, I want to know how we're there. Just know, say, yo, over there so cool. So we just, you know, like a little circle to see what I'm going to know. So, oh, we're close to here, so we know, so this over there. So. You understand? I just make a walk on the stretch and meet people and greet people. It's not really no sporting thing, you know, more, you know?
Yeah.
I just like a social. You understand? Yeah, so I never sporting thing, man. So I have
So-
a one drink or maybe a two drink, but you
This
know?
this
But I still wonder.
No.
How you drink the rum and you reach around the bag. And that me I talk about.
Cause me know me see rum this morning.
Or the rum with me about.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And then put it in.
No,
No,
no, can't do that.
No.
Did you see?
Yeah, did you see? Did the camera catch it?
Then put
They
the
can
rum in
rewind
the
it.
Hold
bag.
on, did you see?
They must put it in the bag.
No man.
No, man.
I want if you drink.
Well, pour me some anyway.
You want if you drink? Yeah?
You have no ice.
Rodney, tell him what, Rodney. We want the rum to
You
drink.
just put the rum
But I hit me go for.
in the cannabis.
No.
Well, we done it though. We done it.
Right, you know what?
Well, Pokey.
Alright.
Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day, Rodney.
Yeah, call it a day. Call it a day.
Call it a day, Rodney.
So them good people here, them vicious. You see me?
People,
Them good.
how the rum catch a Rodney back?
Phone here full of. I did two drunken master then. I did two drunken. But my God said them left some of the rum for your Pokey. And you know say you're maroon and would have never come up.
No pepper pan, no fish.
You know some never come around Pokey without rum. That is maroon law.
Pokey. No. Pokey. Me, a visitor. You're supposed to say, here. But no. But since you never say here, me say here to myself.
Yeah, that mean, alright, look at this what I mean.
You Pokey have ice to the rum? Boy, you see your life nice showing you someone. At the laptop with the multiple. Hey, me have the lights them.
Come on, sip, man.
I understand that.
I put a sip now.
Randy.
Where light
When you make a sip, yeah? When you cook one sip.
I sip now.
yeah?
Oh, master, me come near me and that.
Him get, she get fair one.
Me master.
And she put pork in a fair one.
Yeah.
So, I tell
Why
you,
you want to say pork in there?
no man, a fair one, I only put the pork in. I don't know a fair one. A fair one alone.
Oh. Yeah. So you put some of Randy.
That's fair, that's fair.
Oh.
Where she get to put pork in a
So
fair
you
one.
can't sip one dish.
So.
Soup without meat. It's called a Rastaman
Oh,
sip.
I tell stew.
No, sip. It's like a soup.
Yeah.
No
Like a
peas.
soup. No meat. No meat.
No peas, no food.
Peas
No.
in it. No meat in it.
Yeah, no meat, no night. And no salt.
Right.
And just food and peas. Like peanut, red peas, okra.
Okay, I just normal
Carrot.
soup, no meat in it. No meat.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you call it a sip?
That's it then, college, yeah.
Oh, but pork in it.
Put pork in dish the thing and put pork in a fair one. What she can't tell me? So if she never tell you, I don't know.
So pork, how was the sip with the pork? Pork, I call it.
Amiaka.
Yes.
May I wait for my juice and my ice, you know. May I have a cheers, you know.
Yeah, I forgot to know if you come up.